Hello and welcome to today's video, which is about this question: how do you create a sales funnel for a business? Well, make sure you stay tuned and keep listening, because I will tell you how the sales funnel works and how to build one so that you can increase conversions online. So I suggest you avoid all distractions and pay close attention to the ideas that I will give you. Keep watching. Hi, my name is Ashley. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button so you get alerted about new videos. Please make sure you give the video a like, because that motivates me to create more content for you. Thank you very much. So let's get into it. First, let me tell you what a sales funnel is. Sales funnels are sales and marketing tools used to illustrate the steps of the customer journey. Think of a sales funnel as a visual roadmap that shows exactly where a prospect is in the buying process at any given time. I will now tell you the different stages of the sales funnel. Here we go. The first stage of the funnel is the awareness stage. The awareness stage is the point where the buyer first starts to notice a brand. For businesses with full funnel tracking, it's also where the company starts to notice the buyer. In this stage, the potential customer explores a company's services, reads product descriptions, and does competitor research along the way. They aren't interested in anything specific yet, they're simply seeking out a solution. Marketers can capture the attention of prospects through their lead generation process. There are several channels that companies can use for their sales funnel strategy, including publishing blog posts that are relevant to your customer base is a great way to gain attention. Create content focused on the core topics you want your brand to embody and optimize it to rank for related keywords. Make sure the articles are engaging and easy to share on social media too. You should include a call to action near the beginning and at the end of each article, as some visitors won't read the entire post. Email. There are two types of email marketing campaigns: outbound and inbound. Outbound marketing involves sending emails to buyers who have not initiated contact with your brand. These unsolicited messages typically don't perform well, but there are ways to increase open rates for prospecting emails, as well as free email templates you can follow. Meanwhile, inbound email marketing involves sending messages to prospects who have shown some interest in your brand and voluntarily shared their email address. Perhaps they accessed gated content or signed up for a newsletter. These types of prospects tend to be more receptive and are often easier to target. Website. Don't forget that your brand's website also functions as a lead generation channel. Potential buyers are apt to look at pricing pages, product descriptions, customer testimonials, and other sections of your site. Make sure every page includes a simple and direct CTA, such as a sign up for a free trial, book a meeting, or talk to sales button. Social media. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter have become multi-purpose tools for many companies. They enable businesses to gauge public perception, promote their brands through social proof, and provide quick and easy customer service. Paid social media tactics can play a big role in your lead generation efforts. You can pay to use cookies to track people who visit your website, then focus on these prospects with promotional tweets and posts on their social media feeds. This type of customized marketing is more cost effective than paying to promote one post to a large indiscriminate group of consumers. Of course, there are also ways to spread the word on social media without spending a dime. For example, employees often share their company's blog posts on LinkedIn to generate awareness and interest within their networks. No matter which channel you choose, it's important to tailor the content to the buyer personas you're hoping to convert. You don't want to lose a prospect's attention by sharing information they won't find relevant. Studying the characteristics and habits of your customer base can help you define your ideal prospect. Then, once a consumer starts to show interest in what you have to offer, they turn into a pursuable lead. Let's take a look at stage 2. This is the interest stage. When a lead is in the interest stage, they're done looking around. They're now looking into specifics. Though they're not often set on a particular company by this point, they started to focus on one or two products that can solve their problems. This is where sales teams will start using prospecting tools, sales prospecting, and lead scoring. They'll look at which buyers they need to focus on and which ones they can leave on the back burner. Once prospects show more interest, they go on to the next stage in the customer journey. Moving buyers from the top to the middle is a delicate and often lengthy process. Businesses need to repeatedly demonstrate their value just to earn a prospect's consideration, let alone their business. Here is the next stage. Stage 3 is the decision stage. When a prospect enters the decision stage of the sales funnel, it means they're ready to make a purchase. They may still be considering a few options, but they're prepared to buy. In the decision stage, it's crucial to distinguish your brand and give the potential customer compelling reasons to choose you. See if you could offer one of the following: free shipping, discount code, and bonus product. These types of tangible benefits heavily influence buyers when choosing one company over another. It's also important to emphasize what sets your product or service apart and what makes your company special in your marketing materials. Make sure you have an F&Q section on your website too. Seemingly small things can make all the difference as you guide prospects towards the bottom of the funnel. You're approaching the moment when an interested buyer runs the risk of getting cold feet or going with another company. Try to seal the deal at this stage. I will now give you advice on how to create an effective sales funnel for your business. Creating a sales funnel is an extensive process. It's going to take research and effort to determine what methods will work best for your company, your sales reps, and your buyers. But by starting from the top and making your way to the bottom of the funnel, you can develop a seamless sales process that will allow you to retain more customers than you would without a comprehensive structure. Here are good strategies to follow when building a sales funnel. Number 1. Analyze. To develop a smooth sales funnel, you need insights into consumer behavior. The more you know about your sales data and the clients who've historically purchased and used your products, the more successfully you can target your marketing and upper funnel strategies. Sales reports can help you refine your buyer personas and create content that appeals to high-value prospects. Number 2. Capture the customer's attention. The sales funnel begins before a potential customer is even aware they need your product or service. Writing informative blog posts, running targeted ads, and developing a significant social media presence are great ways to attract consumers. Using dynamic infographics, videos, and brand-specific language can help you stand out and draw customers in. Number 3. Build a landing page. Once a buyer is interested in your product or service, you need to make sure they reach a robust landing page with all the information they need to proceed down the funnel. This page should describe your product, explain who you are as a company, and highlight what sets you apart from your competitors. Include an engaging CTA that tells the consumer exactly what to do next. Your developers should also insert a simple online form where prospects can enter their personal information. Collecting email addresses allows you to stay in touch and make future offers that might compel prospects to buy later if they're not yet ready just yet. Number 4. Nurture. Now that potential customers have found you and developed an interest in your product or service, it's time to nurture that interest. Prospecting emails can be effective, especially if they include new offers or discounts. 1 to 2 emails a week is usually plenty to keep a customer on the hook, but not irritated by too many messages. This will help you build a strong sales pipeline and improve sales velocity too. You can also use cross-selling to create compelling offers for consumers. For instance, if you buy these 2 products together, you'll get a discount on both. These types of incentives can help push a prospect to buy and encourage them to buy more than they initially planned. Coupling complementary products may even create a better user experience for the customer. It's a win-win strategy. Number 5. Stay in touch. After you make a sale, don't forget about the customer. Send regular follow-up emails and offers to improve retention and sales engagement. Loyal customers are important assets to a company. Not only do they keep revenue coming in, but they also generate positive discourse about your business online and/or by word of mouth. Number 6. Use the correct software. You can enhance every stage of your sales funnel process with sales technology and automated sales funnel tools. A sales engagement platform like Zendesk Sell, for example, enables you to automatically capture and score sales leads, schedule and personalize email campaigns, and document all prospect and customer interactions. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to tell me in the comments section below the video which one strategy or method from this video you are going to use first. I would be interested to hear from you. So the next thing to do, if you want to accelerate your learning even further and develop your digital skills, make sure you go and click the link under the video now and visit the Internet Business School website, the UK's leading internet marketing training company. They offer a range of comprehensive courses covering all aspects of digital marketing. They will give you all the training, skills and knowledge you need to create a profitable online business. They provide continuously updated content, which means you'll get cutting-edge digital marketing skills that deliver results. If you're interested in that, which I hope you are, just click the link in the description box under the video and take a look at it. I hope you found this video useful. Please share it with your friends, like it and tell people about it. Finally, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and please give the video a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment under the video below and I will follow up with you. Thanks for watching.